All right, guys. So in the video that I posted to Seesaw where they made it rain, they actually had food coloring, which I don't have here at home. I have it at school, but I don't have it at home. So what I did is I have this glass here and it has some water in it, and I have this glass here and it has some water in it. And then I just got some milk and some soda. And I'm going to see if the milk and the soda react in the same way with the oil. In the video, I think they measured the oil and stuff, but I'm not really doing that. Before you do this, make sure that your mom, is okay with you using the oil, especially since we only go to the grocery store so often, right? She probably doesn't want to go and replace the oil. So anyway, now I've got this milk. I'm just going to take, and I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour it into this lid first because I don't want to have too much milk go in my oil. But let's see what happens when milk goes in oil. Oh, it does the same thing that the food coloring does. So it drops to the bottom just like the food coloring does in the video. So that's interesting. So it separates out too. So I've got that. So I found out that I guess you don't really have to maybe you don't have to use only the food coloring. Maybe it works with other liquids too. Oh, the soda does the same thing. I probably shouldn't have poured the soda so quick. I didn't do it like I did the milk, did I? It's probably better when I did it in the lid. I probably should have done that with the soda too, because then I would have gotten smaller droplets. I think why the video food coloring works better is because then you can see it rain better. But you can see my droplets; they have separated from the oil. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, I'm scooting my camera up just a little bit here, my iPad. Sorry, I don't have a really great setup for this, but I think this will work. Okay, and so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the milk one, and you can see it's all there down at the bottom. That's pretty cool looking through the glass, right? Anyway, and I am going to pour it in the glass slowly. I think it's probably best if you pour it slowly. So I'm just going to pour it all in the glass. Slowly. Oh, wow. See what happened with the milk? I'm not sure that it stayed at the top like the other did. It doesn't really look like the video. Huh. Well, some of that milk went down to the bottom. I don't see it really raining yet. Oh, wow. Can you see that? It kind of made a cloud of it there. That looks more like a cloud than it does look like rain. That's interesting. I don't know. That's pretty cool though, whatever's happening there. I don't know all the science of why this is happening the way it is. Now, look at the soda pop. The soda, when I look down at it, it has gotten, it's not in little droplets anymore like the milk was. Just look at the milk. It's still in like all tiny little droplets. Can you see those? But the soda has kind of gone into one big thing. The milk is interesting. What's happening with it there? Look at that. That's very interesting. Anyway, and then the soda pop, when I pour it in, again, I'm going to do it slow. Probably going to try to do it slower than I did the other one. I don't know. Be careful with this. Make sure you're doing it on your countertop, because I do think that I'm making a mess under there. Boy, the soda's not even coming out like the milk did. There comes the soda, and it's doing the same thing. Oh, but it is. It is interesting. I did better. It's better if you go slower. They look like little eggs there, don't they? Huh. That's very interesting. Look like little eggs. Look at them. I wonder if they're going to eventually drop. Whoops. It's the wrong cup. Ooh, look at that. It's very interesting. I wonder if they're going to drop like the... You would think they would... Oh, look. The milk is starting to drop now. It just takes longer for it to drop, I guess, huh? And it's not dropping one by one like the food coloring in the video did. Oh, there goes the soda. Kind of like rain. Boy, the food coloring one in the video really did look like rain. This does not look as much like rain, huh? I wonder what happened if I would use like pickle juice or something. You think it would be different? Oh, there goes the soda pop. That's pretty cool. I'm going to get out some ketchup. I'm going to get out mustard. And, ooh, I got some caramel sauce. And, yes, I've got some pickle juice. So, in with the milk. Milk goes with syrup, right? So I'm going to put some syrup here. Oh, look, the syrup went straight to the bottom, didn't it? Oh, gosh, it's getting all over the countertop. The syrup went right to the bottom. Dude, that syrup plummeted. All right, let's see about the mustard. What is the mustard going to do? The soda pop's still kind of falling. You see, the soda is raining. I like the soda over there. Watch it. Now I'm going to put a little mustard in. Oh. Is the mustard going to fall? Oh, there went the mustard. The mustard fell in one big swoop, didn't it? It's pretty heavy, I guess. Pretty dense or something. All right, so I had to get a spoon maybe for the pickle juice. Ooh, I'm getting like like one of these, you know, like a teaspoon thing. You know, it's got a bigger. All right, so I'm getting some pickle juice. Now I'm pouring the pickle juice in here. Let's see what happens with the pickle juice. The soda pop is still raining nicely. See what happens with the pickle juice. Maybe need more pickle juice. Pickle juice might be a good one. I poured more pickle juice in there. All right, we watch the pickle juice for a minute here. The soda pop's still going. If you're still watching now with me, I'm impressed because we're at 8 minutes and 32 seconds. And this has been a long time of carrying on. The soda is really raining now. It's very exciting. Very exciting. That pickle juice is coming down. I still smell it on my hands, the pickle juice. Pickle juice seems to be moving in there, though. See how that's moving? That's kind of crazy. Oh, there went a bubble. It's going up. Must have had air in it, right? Oh, look how the pickle juice went over to the milk. That's pretty cool. The soda pop is still going down. Ooh, the milk's going down too. You just can't see the milk as well, right? Because of the color of it. But why? Oh, there's more bubbles in there. Some stuff must be going on. Oh, there went the pickle juice. There went the pickle juice. It's trying to go down, isn't it? That's pretty cool. All right. Well, if you do this, you should upload your videos. So enjoy. Bye. Here's Titus. He's on the floor. He thought I might be cooking something in here, but I'm not. Anyway, enjoy. I want to see your experiments trying to make it rain.